Alright, so we're here at the Vaudreuil terminus, and this is absolutely the coolest ceiling fan that I've ever seen. I filmed this, I think, last year or earlier this year, but I'm refilming it again. And this is a dedication to all the ceiling fans out there. So Alex, Carter, Rodrigo, you as well. If I missed anyone, well, this goes to you, of course, as well. Well, this is truly an amazing ceiling fan. Definitely the biggest one that I've ever seen. And I've seen more like this in other buildings over the last couple of years. This is the first one that I've ever seen like this. But since that time, I've seen others just like this one. But that's quite a fan. Look at the motor on that. Looks like it's all made of metal. I wonder if it's a one-speed fan or if you can control the speed. It's really interesting. Yeah, so that's for all you ceiling fan fans out there. Hopefully you enjoyed that.